Hi everybody, I will teach you how to make lantern from Hongbao. You can see from this video step by step. First, all you need is one Hongbao and then you cut it into two pieces. After you make it two pieces, take the plain part and then cut it like 2 centimeters. Put it aside and then the other part with picture, cut it. Look at this video and then you double tape it. You need to be careful because if you make it untidy, it will affect the shape of this lantern. And then from the other side, you need to cut one piece, only one piece, and then glue it together. That one piece paper you cut, use it for the handle, and then tada! This is a simple lantern. We will make another lantern. Look, it is so complicated, but it's not that hard. All you need is 7 Hongbao. Look at this video. First, you need to flip this Hongbao. You don't need to cut it, just flip it, step by step. You can see, flip it in the 4 corners. And then you need double tape. If you use glue, it's not that neat. So I think it's better you using double tape. Stick it together slowly and piece by piece. Remember, you need to make a shape of lantern. Tada! This is our lantern, and then we will make a decoration and the handle. You need another Hongbao. And we need a string, or you have a sewing yarns. You can make it for the handle. So this is our lantern.